Microsoft has confirmed their new Windows 11 update causes desktop freezes to occur. Because, I mean, I haven't talked about their update issues in about a week, so, you know. Now, this issue occurs only when accessing a remote desktop, and normal home users shouldn't be affected because that uses a different connection process. However, admins that maintain larger fleets of computers have been complaining about this issue since September. I mean, you can imagine how annoying and time-consuming it would be if you actually had to walk over to each computer in a company instead of just remoting into it. By the way, you need to follow this channel or you'll have 10 years of bad luck with your Windows updates. Now, luckily, this new Windows update issue doesn't really affect that many normal users, but while reading this, I was just imagining, like, just imagine what kind of a nightmare this would be for an IT admin at a company. You know, let's say you have to manage 100 computers and now you can't actually remote into them because then everything just freezes, and that's not great. So you actually have to walk over and just personally manage all of those computers. You know, I mean, a lot of these companies don't even have the IT admins and all of the people that use computers in the same building. You know, you might have to go across the campus of the company or whatever to actually enter the building. So just a nightmare. And, you know, I mean, this has been known since September. You know, admins have been complaining about it, you know, rightfully so, because this literally just makes their job so much harder than it needs to be. And you know, Microsoft is still figuring things out, which you know, that's what they usually do, you know. So yeah, another issue coming from a Windows update. I mean, at this point, this could be just marketing, right? Because Microsoft just, there's a new issue that pops up like every single week, so Microsoft is just always in the news. So, you know, maybe this is just like really good marketing, you know. I mean, people are probably gonna hate you because your OS is just so unstable and full of issues, but hey, you know, we're talking about Microsoft every single week, you know. That's pretty good, huh?